Hello and welcome. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to add a program to startup so that it starts automatically when the computer starts. So let's get started. Let's say we want to add this Oracle VM VirtualBox to our startup program so that it starts on the next boot. Let's check the startup. Just press Windows plus R key to open Run and type msconfig. Then click on OK or hit enter. Click on Startup. Click on Open Task Manager. Here we don't see the Oracle VM VirtualBox. We want to add the Oracle VM VirtualBox in this list so that it opens automatically when the Windows starts. I just minimize this window, close this system configuration window. Click on this PC icon from the desktop. Click on local disk C. Click on users folder. Currently I am logged into the system as the MSI user. So I just double click on this folder. Click on app data. It's a hidden folder. If you don't see here, just click on view and click on hidden items. Then you will see the app data folder here. Double click on this. Click on roaming. Search for Microsoft and double click on it. Here, find the Windows folder and double click on it. Double click on the Start menu. Double click on the programs. Open Startup. Let's minimize this window. Right click on the Oracle VM VirtualBox. Click on Copy. Then go to the Startup folder. Right click and click on Paste. That's all. Now let's check on the startup program list. Just click on this task manager and under the startup program, we can see the VirtualBox manager. Let's reboot and check if the program automatically opens in the next boot. Just close this window, press Alt plus F4 and reboot. Okay, my PC is restarted and here we can see Oracle VirtualBox Manager opens automatically. Okay, this is how we can set or add a program to start with the Windows Start automatically. That's all for now. I hope the video was useful to you. Please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get more useful videos like this as they come. Thanks for watching. See you on the other videos. Until then, have a nice time. Goodbye.